Ukraine immediately started using the cluster ammunition it received from the US. The 53rd Brigade also demonstrates the use of cluster munitions in the Avdiivka direction. The Ukrainian National Guard Brigade, Kara Dog, is making passages in dense Russian minefields before the assault on the southern front line. The previous week, this brigade advanced 2 kilometers. We have had success in recent days as well. The exact numbers will be announced at the right time, said Ihor Klimenko, the commander of the National Guard. Russian lies vs. reality. Watch till the end.
Продолжили нанесение ударов возмездия высокоточным оружием морского и воздушного базирования по цехам производства и местам хранения безэкипажных катеров в районах города Одессы и Ильичевск Одесской области. Кроме того, в районе города Николаев уничтожены объекты топливной инфраструктуры и склады боеприпасов Вооруженных сил Украины. Цель удара достигнута. Все назначенные объекты поражены.
Сегодня вкотре.
Сколько моего такая записи на этот подвал, что ты там раскапываешь. Кстати, нам надо в подвал добраться, раскапывать.
In Kupiansk direction, there is captured Russian abandoned equipment. So the Russians saying they never run and never leave anyone or anything behind. If washing machines and microwaves count so true.
Отак от. Російська Федерація кажуть, що вони не бігуть, нікого не кидають, нічого не залишають.
Air raid alert continues into the night on the recently attacked Kerch Bridge, which links occupied Crimea to Russia. 2 days ago, various sources said in unison that a follow-on strike is expected at any time to destroy the railroad bridge, an independent parallel structure. The criminal, sentenced to 17 years for the murder of an ex-girlfriend, was recruited into the Wagner PMC. In Kemerovo, Vladislav Kanius abused his ex-girlfriend Vera Pektalova for almost 4 hours, and then strangled her. Less than a year ago, he was sentenced to 17 years for murder. However, Kanius is free again. He was recruited into the Wagner PMC and released from the colony. This information was confirmed by the prisoner's brother. Give the murderer of a defenseless girl a weapon in his hands. It doesn't fit in my head, says Yevgeny Pektalev, the father of the deceased. A very rare Ukrainian BTR-4 MV, one of the 5th Slobozhansk Brigade of the National Guard during training. Trophy Russian BTR-82 AM can also be seen. The BTR-4 MV-1 is the only prototype of the BTR-4 with increased protection. The all-round protection reaches Stanag 4569 level 3, and the frontal armor is level 3+. The front and sides of the vehicle can be fitted with armor plates providing protection against up to 25mm caliber ammunition, level 5. The hull can also be fitted with additional reactive armor. The vehicle is equipped with a BM-7 Paris turret, which contains a 30mm ZTM-1 automatic cannon, a 7.62 KT machine gun, a 30mm KBA, 117 AGL, and 2 Barrier ATGMs. Vehicle is fitted with a 450 horsepower Deutz BF6M 1015 CP diesel engine mated to Allison automatic transmission. Despite increased armor, the BTR-4 MV-1 retains amphibious capability. That's a bad day at the office. The grenade went through the windshield and detonated inside the cab. Building permit enforcement is taken very seriously in Ukraine. U.S.-supplied Mk 1940mm belt-fed automatic grenade launcher in Ukrainian service, equipped with a LPVO optic on a high-angle mount for ranged fire. If Russia thinks that their brutal war will discourage Ukraine and their friends, including Ireland, then they're wrong. Ireland will continue to stand with Ukraine.
Perhaps Russia believes that it can break the resolve of the Ukrainian people. But I know from the way you fought for the past few years and from my visit here that it cannot. My visit to the site of these atrocities this morning and my meeting here in Kyiv has confirmed to me that Russia will not succeed, and Russia cannot be allowed to succeed. If Russia thinks that targeting civilians and essential infrastructure will discourage Ukraine's friends, including Ireland, well, it's wrong. We will stand with Ukraine for as long as it takes. Ukraine will prevail, and Ukraine will be rebuilt.
And let's see something else at the end. Protests continue in Israel. Hundreds of protesters against the Netanyahu government's judicial reform blocked Tel Aviv's central highway and burned bonfires on the pavement.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.